Hey everyone, so I'm assuming by clicking on this video you guys are as curious as I was to see if you could turn these amazing, delicious AirHeads into EOS candy treats. So this is about 3 bags of the awesome AirHeads that are probably gone by now because I just can't not eat them, they're so good. And here are my EOS containers, and yeah, we're gonna melt them and see if we can turn them into delicious candy treats. So these are the 3 bags of AirHeads that I started with. They're called AirHead bites, and they're dangerous. I'm warning you, you cannot not eat the whole bag at once. So I'm not joking when I actually think all 3 bags are gone already because they're so addictive. So there's 5 flavors in these, and they're all very good. There's the banana berry, which I'm trying right now. There's the blue raspberry, the green apple, and the grape flavored, and the cherry berry. That's right. So this is an EOS. If you've never seen EOS before, you can just buy these at a grocery store or a drugstore, and they're lip balms. So the cool thing about these, though, is that they come in these containers that you can reuse. You pretty much kind of put whatever you want in them as long as it hardens. And some people get confused, not confused I should say, but I always pour the candy in the lid. When I first saw this idea, I had to definitely think about it for a minute and see what they did. So you always put the candy in the lid, and I'm going to show you how to snap off the middle piece. But this one's brand new. I'm liking this glitter look. And to reuse these, you want to snap out the middle piece. And you just want to be careful here because you do need a sharp object. And there's a little place where there's sort of 2 little extra notches. And you want to try to stick I'm using my knife, so you want to try to stick your knife in between there. And then it should come off like so. And then let's say you have used this lip balm completely. Usually there's still lip balm under there, so you want to scrape that off, clean it. But I'm just showing you here that you put the candy in the lid, and then you screw the middle piece back on, pour the candy through the middle piece, and put it in the fridge or freezer like that, and then you snap the bottom back on, and then you open up the whole thing, and you have yourself a super cool EOS, whatever you decide to put in it kind of deal. So of course, in this case, we're going to be using these AirHead bites, and I'm going to start off with this delicious cherry berry flavor. And I'm just going to let you guys sit back and relax and watch this. The most important thing to remember when you're doing these EOS candy treats is to coat the lid in oil so your candy does not stick. How frustrating would that be, hey? When you go to open it and eat it and it gets all stuck to the lid. So enjoy. I'm going to zip through all these 5 flavors and let me know what you guys think at the end of it. Please make sure you comment. I will comment back, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. Thanks. Moving right along to our blue, and this is our second last flavor that we're going to be doing. So I just wanted to know what you guys thought so far, so make sure that you guys comment. I'll be sure to comment back. For all those that have tried AirHead bites, let me know what your favorite color is. I personally think they're all delicious. The red ones are pretty good though. I think I would probably pick the red ones, yeah. And, but yeah, if you've tried them, let me know what your favorite color is, or your favorite flavor, I should say. And what do you guys think about this so far? I find these are pretty easy to turn into these little EOS treats. Some other candies I've worked with before are harder, but these ones seem pretty good. Like, you don't even have to melt it that much, and they mix together and mush up pretty good, and they create that sort of egg form in the lid really nice. Remember to put the oil on the lid. That really helps the candy not stick to it. And yeah, no, I'm really happy with how these are turning out so far. So moving on to our last one, I just want to make sure that I say thank you for watching this far, you guys. Thank you for all of your support, and make sure that you subscribe. We're going to keep making awesome videos and keep making them better for you, for your entertainment. And in order to do that, we would love your support with our Patreon page. You know, it really helps us create better videos for you. And you know, there's going to be some extra perks and extra footage for you guys if you sign up for that. So subscribe, like, share, comment, and please come back to watch more of our videos. Thank you so much. Okay, bye for now.